When the local bakery chain Bakker Klootwijk joined Too Good To Go, I tried it out 2 times. I also got a big loaf of bread, a small pumpkin bread, a croissant and a cinnamon roll at Jordy's bakery. I cut the bread in thick slices and made this tempura shrimp sandwich. At Dudok patisserie, I got a slice of chocolate truffle cake, a slice of cheesecake, and 3 muffins. This was my first Too Good To Go bag at the Jumbo supermarket. With the cream buns and a box of blueberries and raspberries, I created this delicious dessert. The second time I got a bag of rhubarb and I have never bought it before. Together with 6 large strawberries, 100 grams of sugar and 200 milliliters of water, I made 2 large jars of rhubarb compote. It tasted great on beschuit and in yogurt. I got this bag from the Jumbo supermarket around King's Day. This was one of the best bags from the Jumbo supermarket. This is the crab avocado spread, but I like the salmon wakame salad spread more. I stir-fried the chicken, bacon, cherry tomatoes, and olives oven dish. With the sausages, I made homemade sausage buns. I also made fish burgers with cheddar cheese and pickled cucumbers. This jumbo bag was less nice as I got very dry eierkoeken, a 1-liter carton of fla and a huge can of white cheese which were expiring soon. I used all the cheese to make many puff pastries mixed with some spinach. At Albert Heijn to go, I got some bad sushi even though it should still be good according to the expiry date. This is what I got at the Marqt supermarket. Even though these are microwave meals, the rice was pretty good and the flavors were not bad. This Thai chicken cashew rice dish was spicy as promised. The next morning, I got to enjoy lavish savory smoked salmon and mayonnaise pancakes for breakfast.